There are three types of authority in sociology. First is the traditional authority. Traditional authority is actually legitimized by the long-standing custom, actually deeply rooted in our society, in our customs, traditions, and beliefs of our society. For example, patriarchy, which is actually deeply rooted in our society, so actually give a kind of traditional authority to men in our society. Also, it's actually related to the historic personalities. Then the second is the charismatic authority. It's actually authority which is based on a leader's personal qualities. It's a leadership style that actually give individual a charismatic authority. For example, the Napoleon, the Jesus Christ, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Mother Teresa, Martin Luther King. These all are the examples of the leaders who had a charisma. That's why they have a charismatic authority. Then the third is the legal rational authority. Legal rational authority actually resides in office, not in a person. It actually follow a kind of the specific rules and regulation and eligibility criteria. For example, the bureaucratic institution, bureaucratic officials, and also like the elections which held in the U.S. and other democratic countries like U.S. presidency and Congress, and also the modern British Parliament. So these all are associated with the legal rational authority.